coverage continues now with your reporter Justin Adams in downtown Denver.
Justin, Xcel is warning thousands of people it may need to cut power again.
Yeah, how about to the tune of about 9,000 customers? And as you can imagine, those high winds also with high fire danger don't exactly mix too well, especially in northern Colorado. Now, Xcel Energy is preparing for a likely public power shutoff rather tomorrow, starting at 8 in the morning. Xcel says crews will be positioned across the region, but power won't come back on until it's safe. We saw this in December when tens of thousands of Xcel customers experienced planned power outages in Jefferson County and in the foothills. Those living in the high country are too happy that their power may go out, but they want to avoid the same damage that we saw from the Marshall Fire several years ago.
Not great, but I understand the need. Having friends family that lives in Lafayette that was near the Marshall Fire, I can see how fires on high wind days can take out a community.
Brian and Michelle, Xcel Energy says that full restoration of the power could take hours, if not days. So because of that, they ask you to please have an emergency home kit ready to go. Make sure you have some extra batteries, have an extra charger, have some bottled water. Have those things in place now before the power could possibly shut off. In Denver, your reporter Justin Adams, covering Colorado First.
Yeah, it's good to be prepared. All right, Justin, thank you.